Welcome to VirtualZ Computing. We're a patented software company built to unlock enterprise data securely, instantly, and without disruption. Our team brings decades of experience in mainframe, cloud, and data modernization, and our mission is simple: give AI, analytics, and applications the data they need wherever it lives. I'm Jeanne Glass, founder and CEO at VirtualZ. I've spent my career helping enterprises tackle their toughest data and technology challenges. And now with VirtualZ, we're changing the game for data access across mainframe and hybrid cloud. If your AI needs data, and every AI does, we deliver all of it instantly. No code, no delays, just secure access to mainframe, cloud, and even decades-old tape archives out of the box. 70% of the world's mission-critical data still lives on IBM Z systems, and that data is incredibly valuable, but also incredibly hard to access for modern AI and cloud platforms. With both the mainframe modernization and the hybrid cloud markets accelerating, organizations need faster, smarter ways to unlock this data for AI and analytics, and that's exactly what VirtualZ delivers. Today's enterprises face silos, delays, replication risks, and outdated formats. And AI models can't learn from data they can't access. And we change that. We unify data access across platforms. No silos, no specialized skills required, and no coding. We deliver data, transform legacy formats into AI-ready inputs, and we do it all securely and at scale. Without VirtualZ, integration teams spend weeks, months, and even years writing custom code just to access data. And that's time lost, risk added, and opportunities missed. AI-ready data is too often stuck in fragmented systems, and VirtualZ makes it accessible today in hours, not in months or years from now. Legacy ETLs tools are expensive and slow, and change data capture is overhead heavy and fragile. Their manual processes are dependent on specialized talent, and they're unsustainable for customers. The result is a complex patchwork of replication, scripts, and rework just to move or access your own data. And meanwhile, AI initiatives stall and modernization slows. VirtualZ replaces all of this with one no-code platform that connects your data securely, instantly, and without disruption. VirtualZ includes 3 powerful no-code software solutions. PropelZ moves mainframe data wherever it's needed, securely and on day one. Lozen provides real-time read-write access to live mainframe data without moving it. And Zaac delivers instant cloud-based storage that works like DASD, enabling hybrid cloud, DevOps, and real-time data access for AI. Together, our 3 solutions solve the toughest enterprise data challenges with no code, no friction, no waiting, and no specialized skills required. VirtualZ is already trusted by leading partners, including Mainline, who recently merged with Converge Technology and are now Polera, AWS, Google, Kyndryl, and more. As Jeff Rusk from Mainline puts it, our solutions enable cloud integration and mainframe modernization without disruption. Our installs are noted by experts as one of the easiest they've ever encountered. And CRN named us one of the 50 coolest storage vendors and a startup to watch in 2025. We've received this recognition and more because we bring enterprise-grade performance with startup-level speed. In the next few slides, I'll walk through a handful of use cases so you can see how to put our software to work. With PropelZ, you can move mainframe data to your AI platform instantly. Again, no coding, no delay, no specialized skills required. PropelZ installs in hours, secures the source, and supports both near real-time and batch delivery, whether you're using watsonx, Vertex AI, Azure ML, or SageMaker. PropelZ gets your data there fast, and PropelZ is easily licensed at a flat rate of $50,000 per year. If you want to feed your dashboards and reports with mainframe data, PropelZ enables seamless, no-code access to tools like Tableau, Power BI, Click, and more. And if you're looking to migrate mainframe tape data to the cloud with PropelZ, it's easy. You install, upload, and you're ready to go. That is what fast, reliable modernization looks like. For security and observability, PropelZ delivers structured SMF, log, and system data into Splunk, Elastic, Exabeam, or whatever your SIEM might be. With Lozen for application modernization, with our out-of-the-box integration with Rocket Enterprise Server, Lozen enables COBOL apps to access mainframe data in real time without rewriting a single line of code, significantly reducing time and risk associated with migration. And Zaac makes cloud storage behave like mainframe DASD instantly. No hardware, no rehosting, no replication, just dynamic, on-demand storage that enables DevOps, AI, hybrid analytics, and more. This is how you can eliminate storage delays and free your mainframe to do more. Your data should flow at the speed of your business, and with VirtualZ, it does. Again, no code, no delay, and no invoice until your data is flowing. So to get started, I hope you'll contact me personally at jeannie.glass@virtualzcomputing.com to schedule your proof of concept and see the difference in days, not weeks, months, or years. Thank you for joining us. We hope to hear from you.